the tutorial on how to convert Excel to Google spreadsheet. Okay, some people are more comfortable using Google spreadsheets because it's easier to share documents, but there are still many who still rely on Microsoft Excel to create documents that are considered quite complex. Then, what if those of you who have contributed to using Google Sheets retrieve a file in the form of Excel? So the following is a tutorial on converting Excel into Google Spreadsheet. So firstly, open the file or the Excel file on my laptop, and we will try to open it first. The Excel file, this is the file that we want to convert. The name is convert Excel into spreadsheet. The file is on my laptop, and here file my Excel files. For example, later on this video I want to convert this file into the Google spreadsheet. Okay, after this, how to convert these Excel files into Google spreadsheet? So first we should close first, and then make sure our connection is good enough. And after this, open the browser. In this video I open the Chrome browser and then select Gmail. Make sure that we've logged into our Gmail account, and then on the right top corner select the 9 dots and select Drive. And after this we will be taken into the Google Drive page like here. And after we are in this Drive page, click New. Here we will make it a folder. We will make it one folder so it will be easier to look for the file. We will click New and then New folder here. Just click New folder, and after this we will give it a name, folder. So for example, we will give the name convert Excel to spreadsheet. It's just an example. The folder is convert Excel to spreadsheet, and then click create. Here we will click create, and after this we will try to open the folder here, convert Excel to spreadsheet, as the example of a Drive folder. And then after this we do right click and then file upload. We will upload a file, and then we are looking for the file that we want to convert from Excel to spreadsheet. So for example, I want to upload this file, and then click open. After this, after we select the file, and the file is automatically being uploaded. So this is still in progress in uploading the file. Okay, you can see here on the right bottom column, starting upload the file, and it's successfully completed to convert. Okay, the green mark here, and this is the file that is completed, convert into the Google Drive. And then we click, or we do right click or double click. So usually will appear open in Google spreadsheet. I think that this is automatically opened by Google spreadsheet. Okay, you can see opening in Google Sheet. So yes, the convert is like this. You can see on your screen here. This is the file that we have completed upload, and then it's still process in converting file into spreadsheet. Okay, this is successfully converted into the Google spreadsheet like this. This is the appearance of Google spreadsheet from our file that is successfully uploaded. So I will gonna show you to convert in another method. So we are coming back into the Google Chrome home, and then we select the option of Google Drive. It's still loading. Okay, we will choose Drive here, and then this will open the page into the Google Drive page. Okay, it's still process, and then we click new here, over here. We're still waiting. Okay, click new. Okay, and then select the Google Sheets here, and then we have to select the blank spreadsheet. We will select the blank spreadsheet, so we will be taken into the page like this. This is the blank spreadsheet from Google Sheets. The page is just like this, the blank spreadsheet from Google. Okay, and how to convert the file into this blank spreadsheet? But we will rename the name file. So for example, from untitled spreadsheet, we will rename it into the name, or for example, convert Excel to spreadsheet. Okay, just want to type it. Spreadsheet. Okay, and after we successfully rename it, so click file and then select import. Click file and then select import, and after this we select upload to import the file. We will click upload and browse, and then we select the file on our laptop, and then click open after selecting the files. Okay, we will choose, okay, create new spreadsheet. It's not a problem. We will select create new spreadsheet and then import data. Okay, and then file imported successfully, and then open now. Click open now, and the page will change into this. This is the file. This is the Excel files from our laptop, and we will be taken into the page like this. Okay, we will be taken into the file that is successfully converted into the Google spreadsheet. Okay, this is the same file here. So there are two methods. Okay, so I think that's all. How to convert Excel files into Google spreadsheets. Hopefully this tutorial might be useful for us, especially for you. See you on the next video, and bye.